cross my heart and hope to die. You never cross my fucking mind. Do you know what your little lies? Do you know what I had to fight through? Nothing that you say is mildly true. Spit deceit through shifty smiles. Two faces you've had for a while. You act like such a fucking child. Who are you now? You're so hostile to me. I'm feeling homicidal. You better run and try and hide who I was, living in denial. Through all this time you had me riled up. All the shit has finally piled up. There's no chance of reconciling us with the falsehoods I've been piling up. Wait for months, you've made these stories up. Sick from the untruths you're throwing up. Had me thinking I was crazy, but turns out I'm your favorite thing to discuss. You keep on talking, shut up. You keep rubbing salt into the cut. Broke the cycle, need to reconstruct. You're no use to me, give it up. Baby, you're a loser, and I'm ashamed to say I ever knew you. A user, taking all I'd give you. I swear to God I'll never miss ya. Swear to God I haven't missed ya. God, I hope I never miss ya.